Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. Today we are going to solve exercise 9.2 problem number 7. Let us see the question. Yeah, here is the question. The area of an equilateral triangle is 49 root 3 centimeter square. Taking each angular point as center, a circle is described with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the portion the triangle not included in the circles, right? So it means we have to find this shaded portion area. This shaded portion area we require, right? So given these are 60 degrees angles, okay, at the center of the circles as well uh, in the equal triangle angles also, right? So let us given right what is given first. So I'm taking the whiteboard here, right? See, this is a length of 7 centimeter, right? So the radius of circle is given as yes. What is that radius of circle? Yeah, yeah. Radius of circle is given 7 centimeter. Okay, not this AB. AB is nothing but 7 plus 7. That is 14, right? Okay. Let us take the whiteboard. Yes. From the given figure, what we can write? Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, right? So given area of an equilateral triangle is equals to 49 root 3 centimeter square, right? So we have three circles of equal radius, right? What is that radius? Radius is nothing but plural of the radius, right? So radius given r is equals to 7 centimeters. Okay, take the new board, right? So if you observe the figure will be like this. Something adjust with the figure. Okay, yeah. So this is a sector, right? Isn't it? This is a sector, and this is also sector, right? This is also sector. So if you find these three sectors area, right, and from that, yeah, if you remove these three sectors area from the area of this triangle, we get the this shaded portion area, right? Isn't it? Yes, did you get? To find this shaded portion area, the shaded portion area, we need to subtract the three sectors area from the given triangle area, right? So write down. Let us find the area of sector first. So area of sector is equals to what is the formula? X by 360 degrees. X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. See here we have x is equals to 60 degrees because yeah here is we have 60 degrees, right? And here also 60 degrees, here also 60 degrees. Okay, the angle nothing but angle at center, right? So 60 degrees, so 60 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, right? 7 gets cancelled. 0 gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 right? 2 threes, 2 11s. So 11 into 7 centimeter by 3, right? Now what becomes? Is right. So area of sector is equals to 11 into 7 by 3 centimeter square, right? So we have 3 sectors, right? 3 sectors we have. So that what we do, 3 into 11 into 7 by 3 centimeter square, right? Now this 3 gets cancelled. 11 into 7, that becomes 77 centimeter square is the area of 3 sectors, right? And given area of triangle ABC is 49 root 3 centimeter square, right? So area of shaded portion, which is nothing but I will show you what the shaded portion. This is the shaded portion, right? This area we are finding now. Okay, clear? Yes, to find that, so area of shaded portion is equals to area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 equal sectors, right? So area of triangle ABC is 49 root 3 minus 77. So we know the root 3 value. Root 3 value is 1.732, right? Okay. Yes, okay. Into minus 77, right? If you multiply 1.732, so you will get 84.872 minus this 77, right? So once again I will take here 84.872 minus 77. What is the difference? 84.872, yeah, 77.000278 and 14 minus 14 minus 7, 7, yes, 7.872. 7.872 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion, right? Let us write here area of shaded portion is equals to, that is nothing but area of triangle which is not included in circles is equals how much? 7.872 centimeter square, right? Clear? Yes, I hope you understood. Thank you.